Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some items I received while I was away. So I'm going to get in and get started on the first package. I ordered some items from Revel nail, which I usually never buy from, but I had seen a video that Kate from Kate's Nail Corner had done a while back using some colors that I really liked. So I'm going to show you what I received from them. I think I only purchased from Revel once, and that was like almost a year ago. So it's been a while since I got anything from them. Let's see here. Okay. So here we go. It's packaged in their little packaging here. So what I got was some dips. So this one is called GC11 Illuminate. So it glows like a bluish, I believe, or green. I got two different glows. One is blue, one is green. I don't remember which is which, but so it's clear, but then obviously it glows when it's under the UV lamp and at night. And then this one I got is Blink. So in her video, she used these two colors and created like an ombre. It almost looked like a French like baby boomer, the one that I had just done a week ago or so, but it glowed in the dark, which I thought was pretty cool. So I'll show you. This one is just, like I said, it's looks like just a pale pink, and then it glows either blue or green. Again, I forget which. I'll post some swatches up here at the end so you guys can see. And then I also thought that this would go good with these two colors when they glow. It's called High Tide. And it's a changer. I think it's a triple changer. So I'll do a swatch of this as well so I can see how that looks. And it's also a glitter. So I thought that that would look really good together when it's all glowing. So that is what I got from Revel. And then I also got more stuff from Maniology. If you don't know, I am an ambassador for them. And my code is LaurenA10 to save 10%. And I'm really loving stamping lately, and I'm getting into it a lot more, so I hope to feature it more and more in my manis coming up for you guys. I got some polishes, I got some other goodies, I got stamping plate. Ooh, one stamp at a time. It's a sticker. Okay, and that looks like it. So I got, I believe this is a black and white polish set, because I didn't have a black, and the white that I had was not the best. So I'm hoping this one works a little bit better. Let me open that up here. Ooh, okay, so that was a minute to get that open. So this is the black stamping polish. It is straight up black B171. And then I got bam, white B170. So I'll be using these in some upcoming videos. And then I got a 3-pack here. So I got this one, which is Class Clown B289. And it came also with Food Fight B287. And Pencils Down B286. So these are like neon colors. So I'll be excited to try these as well. I'll feature them in some upcoming videos. And then I also got from them this cool tool that I thought would be really neat to use. It is a grabber. So you can use it to grab your cotton swab or your little cotton round, and then dip it in the acetone and clean off the plates, the stamping plates. And it has a little pineapple on the top. So I thought that was a really nifty tool to have. And then I got some stamping plates. This one is Flower Angel, and it has all different like flowery patterns on it. It has some butterflies, full finger butterfly pattern. And that is BMXL352. Of course, I'll link everything down below. And then I got this one, which is NP-M78. And, oh no, I'm sorry, M278, that's it. And it is kind of like a gradient. So it has like these little water droplets, some different shapes on it, little party celebration shapes, dots, triangles, hearts. So I thought that was pretty, oh, stars. I thought that will be a cool one to use coming up. That is what I got from Maniology. And then the last thing I'm going to be unboxing is my monthly sub box from Ritzy Dips. So let me get this open. And I'll post the details about this down below. No sticker to start it off. Cute. And don't mind me, I have a broken nail. I just broke in the car coming home. Ooh, look at all this. All right. Ooh, this is a cute little shell-shaped duster brush. How cute. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. This is quite stiff too. It's not like the typical fluffy brush. So that might be better for like after filing and stuff like that. Ooh. And then I got some soap from this company, Lather, Rinse, and Soak LLC. So I'll follow them on Instagram. And this scent is hibiscus and honey. How exciting is that? It smells really good from what I can smell so far. I don't want to unpack it just yet, but that's what that looks like. And now, of course, let's get into the fun part, which is the dips. SB040. I'll swatch these as well. It's a pretty purple glitter. And then this is SB041. It's like a finer purple and silver. And then this one is SB042. And it is like, oh, they're so full. Kind of like a lighter purple with a little shimmer in it. Okay, so that is what I got. Put all this filler back in this box. Awesome. So, like I said, I'll put up some swatches of the items here. As always, thanks so much for watching. And I'll be back with more Mani content soon. I literally just got back from vacation, maybe like an hour and a half ago. So, just wanted to get this stuff unboxed and filmed for you guys. All right, and then I have one more thing here I just got from Triple D Dips. So I'm going to open that here. I got some dip colors from them and also a decal sheet. And this is the first thing I've ordered from Triple D that wasn't their Diva box. So it's my first time getting something else from them. Okay, let's see here. So these are the dips I got, obviously. I got Triple Threat, which I believe is a triple thermal changer. And it's this like grayish blue color. I'll put swatches up here of these as well. Then I got Angel Baby, which is Kate's Nail Corner color. And it is this pretty blue with some iridescent foils. I think this either is a glow or a changer. I don't know which one it is. Then I got Phoenix. I thought this was pretty. pinks and purples, iridescent foils, or flakes, glitters. I can't talk, sorry. And then I got pink shift, which is white, and then it shifts to a pink color. And yummy, which is gray, and then it shifts to pink. Let me open this up. Color changer. There we go. And I also got, like I mentioned, a sheet of decals. I don't want to open it up, but it has like these little multicolor moons and flowers. I thought that was really pretty. I might use this coming up fairly soon, so keep an eye out for that. Ooh, and then I also got, a pen and a big orange wood stick. That's awesome. Cool. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to post everything that is a dip. I'm going to do swatches of and post them at the end here for you guys so you can see them. And if they change or glow, I will post those transitions as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a lovely day.